Hey guys, Zeojuk here, and today I'm showing off my Sumatran sparking ring. Now, if you're wondering why I call it Sumatran is a species of tigers. Now, if you're wondering, wait, why'd you need a sparking ring after a species of tigers? Well, probably triggered the BBGs to go. He'll come for you crazy, but this is supposed to be a trigger's not sparking, attack ring made into a sparking ring. So as you can see, I tried my best to capture the actual trigger with the iconic head with the teeth. And by the way, if you're hearing a music or talking in the background, that's the TV that's playing that I couldn't be bothered to turn off. So, hang on, just gonna do quick. And also, if you're wondering what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to mirror it so there's a left spin version. It won't do that. I would just flip it upside down, but I'm worried that the launcher might not be able to get to the taps on the sparking ring. Okay, hang on. Maybe I can just get away with it. Okay, so turning it 180 degrees. And I guess you can call that the reverse spin version. Perhaps on a computer, perhaps on this program. Oh, hang on. It off-centered it. Oh. Hang on. Alright, there. Now you have a left spin and right spin version of the sparking rings. Now, where did I got rid of the tab, didn't I? Well, that's all, folks. Now, now I was gonna save this for another video, but, I have time to kill. There's only an hour-long limit on my computer's recording, so figured I might as well... show off what else I've been working on. So this sorta counts as a hint, but here's the other sparking ring I'm working on. This is the crowned layer base, and you're gonna have to also guess which one this is too. Oh, and to clarify what the crowned layer base is, the crowned is a blank type of blank. You're gonna have to guess which species this is. But to give you a little booster hint, it's a bird. So that should give you some time to think. So, yeah, this is the crowned layer base. The original Beyblade this is modeled after, I try to get as accurately as possible But, and this also counts as a hint, it's still kind of not so much of the balance type it used to. It should have been like it was more rounded. I might have to adjust those contact points so they'll be less outward. Then again, this was a balance type, so so that's all I'm gonna tell you about so that's all the information you're gonna get about this. I'm gonna eventually make a V2 version of this. Speaking of V2 versions, you might have also noticed that. Oh, hang on for a second. Alright, so you might also have noticed that I made a tidal wave sparky ring V version 2. So, yeah. As you see, the wings are now perfectly centered, which gives the Beyblade, quote, which makes the Beyblade perfectly balanced, as all things should be. I crack myself up sometimes. So I'm gonna give you another hint about what the sparking ring is, maybe because you haven't guessed what was before. So this Beyblade that the sparking ring is modeled after, us share the same ring part or contact part, arch ring, has the other Beyblade, albeit it was white. And for another hint, that Beyblade was that was a balance type Beyblade that could switch between stamina and attack mode. Oh, and also something we can quickly talk about, which also counts towards this hint, as I might remind you of someone. But anyone remember how Ryuga? Yeah, can I just be one to say that Ryuga's El Drago Destroyer shouldn't be considered an attack type? I mean, it's aggressive at first, but then the tip retreats into, but then the tip turns into a survive to spin steal. You know, well, that's all cool and all. My complaint with that is that kind of makes El Drago a balance type, not an attack type. You probably might have already guessed it now, but guess what this Beyblade is. But if you haven't, oh well, there's always next video. So anyways, that's it for this video. I am working on other stuff, so yeah. So anyways, that's it for this video. I just heard something crash and I just know crap's gonna go down and I can't risk that being put on audio. So until next time, guys.